Hi guys, this is Debojyoti here, and today we are going to try out the tabletop buffet of Kolkata Pantry, which is located at Hindustan Park at a 5-minute walking distance from Goriahat Mode. And the cost of the buffet is 549 rupees plus tax on weekdays and 649 rupees plus tax on weekends. And as always, I'll drop the Google Map link in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Come, let's eat. Wait, before I begin, this is to remind you, if you haven't already, do click the subscribe button so that you never miss another update from this channel, and also click the bell icon so that you get notified first when I upload a new video. And do follow me in Zomato as I post the pictures of food photography over there. And now that you have done that, come, let's eat. Kolkata Pantry is a relatively new restaurant in the bylanes of Hindustan Park, offering tabletop grill buffet at a price of 850 rupees, and it hosts buffet only during weekends. The restaurant has two sections. The outer section is mainly for multi-cuisine a la carte patrons, and the inner section is where they host the buffet. White and black checkered marble floor of the restaurant is nicely decorated with paintings along with a good combination of light and shadow effect. The inner section was decorated equally, giving it a nice fine dining ambience. The buffet comprises of 5 non-veg starters and 3 veg starters, along with a glass of complimentary mocktail. On tabletop grill, we have chicken malai kebab, chicken tandoori kebab, mutton sheikh kebab, fish hariyali kebab, and prawn kebab. And on table, we were additionally given fish fry and crispy corn fries, and we were also offered paneer kebab, but we rejected so that we can try main course items. To begin with, we have the fish hariyali kebab. Fresh basha fish fillets were marinated in a mixture of curd, green chilies, mint and spinach leaves to make this greenish yet flavorful kebab. The fish had a nice smoky charred exterior, and dipping it in the hot and sweet tomato chutney elevated its taste even more. This one is the crispy panko crusted fish fry, and once again fresh basa fish fillets were used to make this. The fish fry had a perfectly crispy exterior with a subtle aroma and taste of lemon, and it was simply delicious. Over here we have the tandoori prawns, which is nothing exceptional but tasted nice after it was dipped in the mint chutney. Followed by the big round mutton sheikh kebabs, which had a smooth consistency and had a good balance of different spices. And lastly, for the kebabs, we have the murg malai kebab, and I must say it was one of the best items of this buffet, as the soft tender chicken pieces absorbed the flavors of the marination really well, and it was grilled to perfection. And finally, to neutralize my taste buds, this one is the complimentary virgin mojito, which was very refreshing and had the perfect balance of sweetness. The buffet section is decorated very nicely, and to begin with we have the very basic essential salad section, and the salad section had fresh cut basic salad items like cucumber, carrots, onions and tomatoes, along with different types of dressings. The hot soup had different winter vegetables like chopped carrots, spring onions and mushroom, along with shredded chicken, and had a nice aroma of burnt garlic. The main course section begins with veg chili garlic noodles, and the noodles had a nice aroma of Szechuan chili peppers and garlic, and the noodle had tons of spring onions and capsicum. The exotic veg in Tobaging sauce had different exotic vegetables like red, yellow and green bell peppers, along with carrots and ginger stems in soya sauce based gravy, and it went really well with the chili garlic noodles. Over here we have the moti matar makhani, which is basically green peas and sweet corns cooked in a non-spicy thick white creamy gravy. The gravy had very sweet aroma and had a subtle taste of cloves and cumin seeds, and it went really well with the butter naans that was served at the table. This one is the veg jalfrezi, which had different vegetables like cauliflower, baby corns, capsicum and carrots in a very spicy concoction of in-house spices. The palak paneer had large soft homemade cottage cheese dipped in a thick creamy greenish curry of spinach leaves, and frankly speaking I didn't like it that much, followed by the different kind of pickles and chutney. This is the very basic yellow pulses cooked in Bengali style by tempering 5-spice mixture in clarified butter along with bay leaves and dry red chilies. This one is aloo capsicum masala, which is basically small baby potatoes cooked in a mildly spicy gravy along with capsicum, and is a good option for all the vegetarian patrons visiting here. This one is the very basic steamed rice, followed by the non-veg main course section, which begins with everyone's favorite Hyderabadi mutton biryani. And wow is the word to describe this, as it had a mouth-watering aroma and is garnished very nicely with chopped coriander leaves and fried onions. Generous amounts of saffron milk and clarified butter was used to make this, and the rice was very flavorful, and the chicken pieces was very soft and tender, and in one word it was simply fantastic. Over here we have the chili garlic fish, which is made up of fresh basa fish fillets deep fried in a thin coating of batter and then tossed in a concoction of soya sauce and Szechuan pepper sauce, and was a good companion for the noodles. The chili chicken was nothing exceptional, as the curry was somewhat similar to the chili garlic fish, but overall it tasted nice. Over here we have the chicken karai masala, which had a nice flavor profile and it tasted almost identical to chicken butter masala. Might be they have attached the wrong food tag, but in terms of taste, no areas of complaint whatsoever, as it was very spicy and delicious at the same time. Here we have the Rajasthani lal mas, which is gem amongst all the dishes of this buffet, as the perfectly cooked mutton pieces simply won my heart. The mutton is cooked in a concoction of different Rajasthani herbs and spices, and instead of oil, clarified butter was used not only to elevate its taste but also to impart a mouth-watering aroma which will surely make your day. And needless to mention that the mutton was very soft and absorbed the flavors of the curry really well. Kolkata Pantry has kept its dessert section short and simple, to the extent that each sweet items were self-appraising. And to begin with, we have the freshly prepared hot gulab jamuns, followed by the kesar finni, which had a nice smooth consistency and the perfect balance of sweetness. Lastly, in the dessert section we have the rasmalai, which was truly awesome, as not only in terms of size but in terms of taste it was simply fantastic, as it had a subtle aroma of kesar and generous amounts of chopped pistachio and cashews, which made it taste heavenly. Finally, the buffet ends with the ice cream section, having 6 types of unique ice cream like Nolen Gur flavored, coffee flavored, mango flavored ice cream to end the buffet on a sweet note. Thanks for making me a part of your day. So if you have enjoyed this video for whatsoever reason, consider hitting the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you never miss another update from this channel, and also hit the like button so that it motivates me to make new videos. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.